Welcome into the era of AI. Hello there and welcome. In this lecture, I would like to welcome you to Runway ML. Now, Runway ML can actually do a lot of things. One of them is text to video, which is one of the greatest features about Runway ML. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So let me show you an example of what Runway ML can do. You see the dog on the right-hand side. We managed to transform that dog into a metal dog using none other than Runway ML. I can play the video again so that you can see what I'm talking about. And you can see over there that the dog absolutely looks adoring or adorable as a metallic dog. And that is Runway ML in action. There's a lot of other things that Runway ML can do, such as generating videos. If you want to generate a video that looks like this, a robot with his eyes glowing, Runway ML can do that for you. It's your friend. Now, don't ask me about the video in the back because that was not generated by Runway ML. That's actually me transformed as a Terminator using Kyber AI, which we're not going to use in this course. Now, here you can see some spaceships flying with some people on a planet. You can see this hacker walking through a set of computers with other fellow hackers right there as well. You can see this is maybe planet Mars. Soil, you can see a spaceship. And it does look like a spaceship. It does look realistic as well. You can see here we have a couple of alien spaceships invading a planet or something similar. And they're moving. And of course, that's pretty much it for Runway ML. Now let's go and explore Runway ML text to video. Now Runway ML can do a lot of things. And like I said, text to video is one of the most powerful. It's actually text and image to video. So let's actually go ahead here and click. I'd like to use text to video. Image to video, I don't like it so much. So I'm going to go ahead over here. First of all, I would like to set this to 10 in terms of the motion. And then here you can write whatever it is that you want to write. So let's say, for example, aliens, or you want to generate a scene of, I don't know, maybe, let's say, let's take a complex scene. A boxer knocking or knocks out another boxer in the ring. Now here we can generate 4 seconds. So I'm going to click and it's going to go ahead and start generating. Now you can control the general settings from here if you wish. So if you wish to basically adjust anything here, you can adjust it. You can adjust the quality of the image the video that you get. You can adjust the camera settings, which I would recommend you to not touch. You can control the motion, add some motion bush to the images to actually edit if you have any pictures there. You can hear, so there's a lot of settings that you can control. You can also control the aspect ratio. It's set to 16 by 9 inches, but you can set it to be 9 by 16, which is good for TikTok-sized videos. And then there's custom presets here that you can add if you have any. I'm going to go back to the prompt itself. You can see here we're at 57%, I'm sorry, 57% of the video. Now it's just a matter of seconds before the video is going to render, and then we're going to have it. All right, so here's the video. I'm quite sure it's not going to look great. It's a test, really a test for the tool, but let's watch this. All right, as you can see, it doesn't look great at all. It looks horrible, a horrible video. But hey, we're not going to be generating a video about boxers, right? You can try a different prompt. You can say alien spaceship invading Earth. And trust me that these prompts will get you better results. Always look out for how many seconds you have available, because you only have a certain amount of seconds available. You can get more credits by clicking here. And of course, you have to pay for those credits that you want. And you see here that it is working to generate an alien spaceship invading Earth. There it is. So here's the other scene. This one is definitely going to look better. And you can see that right now it looks like this is an alien spaceship. And you can see that this is a lot better, right? So with macro scenes where there's not a lot of characters, it looks great. With micro scenes where there's a lot of details, such as a boxing match, you can see it's not the same. So this is pretty much it for this Runway ML tutorial. If you ever want to download any video, you just have to click here and you can download it, which later on you can be able to open this up and watch it. You can also extend 4 more seconds. So If you want to add 4 more seconds to this, you can actually click here, which will add 4 more seconds to this, which I'm not really interested with. I think just 4 seconds per scene is better. And that's pretty much it. So now that we have introduced you to Runway ML, next we need to introduce you to Pika Labs, which is also a software that I use to generate video. As a matter of fact, this software can generate video with audio special effects if you want them as well. And it's only dedicated to create videos. So it has been created with the sole purpose to create text to video. So let's go ahead and explore this tool as well.